Jonathan here at TopSaw. Today I'm going to go over the new Phillips Velocity screws and their patented screw head that holds them in place. Today I'm going over these Velocity screws. They're made by the Phillips Company. Been in business probably close to 100 years. They invented the Phillips screwdriver bit, and now they're making these Velocity screws, which are really cool. So I teach high school wood shop and math. I'm really excited to have these screws in the wood shop. They got 4 distinct features on them, one of which is inside the head there are these little ribs, and then on this patented screw bit, it goes in there, and when you push them together, it'll stay on there pretty tight. So it's not magnetic at all, but it'll hold the screw in place. So let's see how that works. These are number 10 2 3/4 inch screws. That's a regular bit, I think. So piece of pine right here. Oh, that's a pretty good hole. Easy to pull out. Oh, that held pretty well. So where are you going to lose your screw bit? Probably screwing like this. Here's another pack. Number 8 1-inch screws. So these are number 8s. These are number 8s as well. So here's a bit that comes with these number 8s. That's a really good fit. And if the screw bit will fit on those. Oh, it's a little looser on the larger number 10s, 2 3/4. So there are different size Phillips bits depending on the size of the screw. So this is number 8. So I guess you're going to lose it probably like that. It's on there. I mean, it's sticking on there. Kind of reach all over the place. Oh, that's nice. That's super nice. So there are 4 patented features on these screws. The first is that head. There's also a no wobble in it, and then the bit itself has little corrugations on it, probably little fins, so that once you push it on there, it'll stay on there. So that's the first issue, or first patent. The second is that start top, that sharp pitch at the beginning for easy start. The second is, I don't know if you can see that little cut right there inside the shaft. That's actually like a drill bit. So that's actually designed to remove dust and bring it out so that you don't have to pre-drill a bit. And then the fourth feature, which is cool as well, is these ribs on the back of the head here. And these are designed to help you countersink the screw. So before we had these, we pilot hole everything so we don't split the wood, and then use this countersink for the head. But it seems like these are going to actually work even better than that. I mean, they'll do it all without having two drills on place. This is alder, pretty soft alder. See if well, this countersink's nice, hole's nice. They're also supposed to spin 35% faster. Ooh, I like them a lot. You just grab some old Phillips. Here's an old Phillips screw without that new technology. But this bit will not fit into the old style screw. So the bit is specific only to the new screws. But I wonder if an old style bit will fit the new screws. So this is the old style bit. This is a new screw. Those work. you get a little bit of holding, but not like with the new bit. So that's good. I mean, I guess that means no matter, these screws are interchangeable anywhere. So you could use the new style screw anywhere you want with whatever bit you want, but you could only use these newer bits with these screws to get that feature. Well, that actually makes sense. All right, so I got a few different types here. These are number 6s by 1.5. These are pretty thin. You can see how thin those are. So that's a 6. This is an 8. I don't know if you can see it. So that's a 6, that's an 8. And then these are a 10. So you can see the different diameters between the 6, 8, and the 10. And then see this bit right here is a number 6 bit. Yeah, so you actually have to push it in with a fair bit of force. So that's the number 6 bit, which will fit into the number 8 screw and hold it. We're probably a little too small for the number 10 to hold it. So let's straighten this 6 out. As long as the bits always stay in the screw packets, it will always work. And then if you're working with existing screws in place, any Phillips bit will work. So that all makes sense. That actually makes a lot of sense. Man, those things rock. Those things are fast. I like that. So I guess toenail that in. Man, that was incredible. Almost always have to start the screw to get a toenail in perpendicular and then rotate it, but these actually almost, that just went right through on that toenail. Oh no, like everything Phillips, very well thought out, really very clever. I can't see any problems with them. If you use these screws and you have to pull them out, any Phillips bit you have will work. Oh, I like these velocity bits a lot. I think they're really going to work well. You can use these screws anywhere, and then if you have to pull them out, any Phillips bit will remove them. But then on the application, if you want that new technology, you need to use a specific bit to the specific screw, which will work well because you're going to grab that screw box or whatever, and the bit will be in there. So I don't see any downs on these at all. I like them a whole lot more than the Torx or the Robertsons, because every time you use those and you want to pull them out, you can't ever find the right bit. So this seems like a great solution to a pretty complex problem. All right, well, thanks for watching. I'd love to hear your comments below and hit subscribe. Thank you.